Now, 6 days after Praveen Togadia made a deeply communal speech, there is still no action against the VHP leader. Demands are pouring in for booking Togadia on the lines of Akbaruddin Owaisi to check the disturbing trend of public figures making hate speeches. So far, there has been only murmurs but no concrete move by the Maharashtra government to put Togadia in his place.
This man, Praveen Togadia, a Vishwa Hindu Parishad leader, stepped onto the stage in Nanded in Maharashtra with the sole objective of spreading hatred. His caustic, venomous speech raking up past riots strewn with multiple threats. Both Togadia and members of his organization dodge and duck questions, literally seen struggling for words when quizzed about the vitriolic address.
देश की जनता, संत और विश्व हिंदू परिषद को लगता है यह देश में हिंदू अनाथ ऑर्फन बना हुआ है.
Now you were really talking about in that particular question. Now you are making, I think here is a particular speech that is made, okay, reminded about the past, and there is a rhetoric particular things in this also, and this rhetoric, okay, question,
Left absolutely stunned by Togadia's hate speech, calls for the hate-monger leader's immediate arrest coming from all quarters.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूं और मांग करता हूं कि जिस सख्ती के साथ अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी के खिलाफ कार्रवाई हुई है, उसी प्रकार प्रवीण तोगड़िया के खिलाफ भी उतनी ही सख्त कार्रवाई सरकार को करना चाहिए.
But despite the huge uproar over his speech, all that the Maharashtra government has managed so far are empty assurances, even as Togadia roams free.
उसकी पूरी जांच हम करेंगे. यदि कानूनी कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी तो जरूर करेंगे.
अगर लीगल एक्सपर्ट्स का अगर ओपिनियन आता है तो कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी.
A man goes around making downright communal speeches without any fear of the law. Like in the case of Owaisi, will the state have to be compelled and cajoled to act against Togadia? Why is the Maharashtra government and centre silent despite Togadia openly threatening violence? Bureau Report, Times Now.